Hey, so it's Saturday and my kids are all gone and I am ready to clean up my house. I like cleaning where they're gone because no one is distracting me. I have my phone do not disturb and I'm ready. So I want to basically just clean my office, my bedroom, my bathroom, the kids' bathroom, the little kids' bedroom. And the most thing I'm tackling today is decluttering my closet, my small kids closet, and my linen closet. It's a mess. So I'm going to take out this down. So I'm going to take out all our clothes. Let me show you. It's bad. It's my linen closet. It's worse than this because when towels, I'm washing now. When towels and rags are in here, it's always a mess. So I'm getting rid of all this stuff because we don't even use half of this stuff in here. We just rewash it. Then my closet, it's really messy. A lot of stuff I don't wear, I have to get rid of. So before I even start purchasing new things or whatever, I have to get rid of a lot of stuff that I don't use. And this is horrible. In the little kids' room, they have a lot of stuff. I don't know how a 6-year-old does this, but it's messy in here. But I'm cleaning up in here today. All these clothes, a lot of these clothes she's 6, and some of these clothes she had when she was like 2 years old. So my job today is after I clean up, I'm going to declutter all these clothes. I'm going to declutter all the clothes. I am going to separate them in piles, throw away, give away. I don't think I've even had time to sell it, but give away, throw away, and what we keep it. So that's my goal for today. It's part 1 of decluttering my house. So before I start doing that, I just want to say I have been putting off on decluttering things in my house. Like I want to buy new things. I want to paint in here. I want to do certain things, but then I'm kind of like, I don't know, because I kind of want to move from here and move to a different state. So I kind of just put off of doing things in the house. I just keep it clean, maintain it to be clean. So I just realized, God's not going to bless me with my new home, painting and all this other stuff that I want for my new home, my new life or whatever, if I don't take care of what I have now. Like I do take care of it, but I know I don't do 100%. I just do the bare minimum. So I just clean up. If something breaks, I get it fixed. Instead of making it like our home, my mindset is like, oh, we're gonna move in X amount of years. I'm just preparing to move. I don't want to spend my money on redecorating or finishing the floors or painting or fixing the doors and things like that. So my goal this year is to declutter my home and to fix up my home. So whether I sell or not, or stay or keep it for my children or be a landlord, whatever, or rent it out to renters, I'm going to treat it as this is my forever home. And it still may be, who knows, but I'm not going to be blessed with what I want or what I need if I don't take care of what I have. So that's my goal for today, is to declutter and get things organized with our clothes. That's like the biggest thing that we have. Is all these clothes are everywhere, and these clothes are like clothes that we don't even wear outside the house. We just wear in the house, and they're old, and we just walk around the house with them on. So yeah, they gotta go. So these are all the sheets, the comforters, the covers that was in the closet. We don't even use all these, so a lot of those going away. These I have a steam mop, but I got a mop now. It's a different mop now. So that's going in the trash. These are the towels and rags that are clean. So it's a lot that is getting washed, but I'm gonna throw them away before I wash. These are my like tablecloths, because I be doing like little party stuff in my house, and clothes that was just in the closet. And this is stuff I was selling on Mercari that I never got a chance to sell yet, but they're gonna get given away now. So that's the closet. Next is the room. So I do have this thing here I haven't used, but I'm gonna see if some of this stuff can fit in here and save space in the closet. Maybe the blankets, I don't know. Let's see what I can fit in there. So I have narrowed it down to about 4 blankets. So we have a family movie night in the living room. Those, of course, are towels and rags, little blankets for the kids. My party stuff for the tables when we have like little things at the house. This is the giveaway. This is the throwaway. I kept some of these sheets because I plan on painting, so I could use this to cover the floors up, and little rags to wash my car. So those will be put somewhere else. So that's it. So yeah. And let me mention this first. So I'm reading this book called Eat the Frog about procrastinating. So it basically says in one of the chapter, beginning of the chapter, to eat the frog. The hardest thing, the most difficult thing that you don't want to do it the beginning of your day. So for instance, I'm cleaning up today. This is the least thing I don't want. I don't want to take all the clothes out the closet, out the drawers, because I'm by myself. The kid's not here, and it would be easier if they was here so they could take everything out from me and bring it so I could start separating it, but big distraction. So I'm gonna have to do it on myself, take the clothes out, and there's a lot of clothes that my daughter has, there's a lot of clothes that I have to choose, and go through them. So once I get that done, I ate the frog. Then I can do the easy stuff like cleaning up the house, like the sink, the kitchen, floor mop and everything else like that. So that's the thing I'm doing, eating the frog. So I will go to the next room. So I'm heading out to the next room. And to my surprise, everything fit in here. I think I got this from Walmart or Ross or something like that a long time ago, and I just had junk in here. But those 4 comforters and my tablecloths actually fit in here, so that's good. That's gonna save so much space in this closet. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So it's time for me to do my daughter's closet. Jesus, that's gonna be a lot. So that was a lot. These are clothes I'm gonna hang up. Her little imaginary play stuff I'm gonna hang up also. We have our socks, things that I'm keeping. That's my other daughter stuff. My baby stuff was in there. And then we We have the giveaway path, throwaway path. That's from the closet and from my daughter's room. So next is my closet. So now it's time for my closet. That was 2 hours I spent doing the hallway closet and my daughter's room. So now it's time to get to my closet. And it's gonna be hard because some things I'm trying to keep, I don't know why, and some things I kind of want to sell, but at this point right now, I'm just gonna give it away or throw it away and keep what I need for myself. So I started like at 12, I think, p.m. And this is how my closet looks now. It's cleared out, got rid of a lot of clothes. And I'm done with that part. And this is how the hallway closet looks. Let me do it this way. That's cleared out. And this is how my daughter closet looks now. And her drawer is cleared out. And her drawer is more organized too. So I'm done. It's on 6 o'clock. And I am exhausted. And there is trash. And this is my trash that I'm giving away. Throwing away. I have to put these hangers away. And this is going to be our giveaway. So my boys come home tomorrow. They can put these in a big black bag so we can get rid of this and I can clean up the rest of the house. So thank you for watching, and I hope you're decluttering your house too, especially getting rid of all these old clothes and old things. Get rid of things to make room for new things. Peace out.